In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can insert and edit a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet inside of your PowerPoint. So to do this, go to the Insert tab, and towards the left, you're going to see the option for Tables. Click on Tables, and then now you're going to want to go to the bottom and click on Excel Spreadsheet. Once you do that, as you can see, I have an Excel spreadsheet inside of my PowerPoint presentation. And this is great because a lot of the flexibility that you might want to have in Excel in terms of like formatting numbers or doing different calculations you now have, but not of any PowerPoint visual. So, for example, all the functions like sum ifs, average ifs, whatever unique even, whatever functions that you would want whatever functions that you'd want to use in Excel, you can now have them in your PowerPoint. And also one thing to note too is that as you can see, the top is Excel. It's not PowerPoint whenever it's clicked in here. So all the tabs that you might want to have in your Excel sheet, from your Excel sheet, forget what comes to inserting different graphs or whatever, you now have inside of your spreadsheet. So as you can see, if I wanted to insert just a basic graph, I can now do that, and it shows up inside of my PowerPoint. And this can be very helpful if you are, for example, trying to format numbers in a specific way, or if you're having some issues getting stuff from Excel into your PowerPoint, you can just have it directly inside of your PowerPoint. So that's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.